Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. That's how to speak in tongue on keys. I will teach you that very soon. But today, I'm going to teach you how to actually use your augmented chord on your 3 to 6 chord progression. Somebody say, what is 3 to 6? He has come again. 3 to 6 is inside 736 that I've been teaching. I have a lot of 736 tutorials on this channel. You've not watched it? Check the channel. I have over 400 videos here. That's 3 to 6. In the key of F, we have a... So that's 3 to 6. 3 to 6, you can find it in 736, 736. Yeah, so that's 736. So circle of fourth. So, but that's not what we're going to do. I just did that just for people who are not familiar with 3 to 6, because they'll be like, okay, what's 3 to 6 again now? Like, they want me to teach from the basic, and I mean, I'm going to spend 1 hour on this video if I have to do that. So you need to have some basic understanding before watching this. All right, so we're going to be in the key of F, which has F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Now, what is 3 to 6? 3 in F is E, 6 is D, 2, 5. Okay, so I'm just showing 3 to 6. So let me show you that chord. Then I'm going to show you how to use it in songs. So on your 3 is you do A minor, which is A, E, and G on left. So on your right, you're going to do your 2, your major 2. Just do the augmented chord on your major 2. Remember that. Do your augmented chord on your major 2 while your root is holding 3. So your major 2 is what's it called? The key of G, right? So do the augmented of that key. So that'll just give you this chord, right? Right. Yes, that's it. So we have a G, we have a B, we have a A flat, E flat rather. E. So what's the next chord? The next chord is our 6, which is so 3, 6, 2, 5, 4, 3, 6, 2. So 3 on 6. You do another augmented chord on your right, which is for your semitone. That's flat 2. So the augmented chord for that, for your flat 2, don't forget the augmented chord for your 2, do it on 3. That's the code. Do it on 3. The augmented chord for your flat 2, flat 2, do it on 6. So that's in this case now that is F sharp augmented chord. So we have then your 2 chord. So you go to 2, then 5, then 1. Alright, I have a lot of tutorials on this, so just you might not be you can't finish learning the piano in just one video. So watch my other videos also. But let me finish this. So we have let's do this song. Planted for no. For you are great, you do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. Yeah, I'll do 3-6. There is no one else like you. So you get that? For you are great, you do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. So we're going to there is no one else like you. You get? So on that 3 to 6, that's why I'll just do there is no for you are great. I mean that to do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. I'm just doing dirty that's so fine. In case you didn't hear that. Yeah, so 3-6. There is no one else like. So if you got something, let me know in the comment section and make sure you click the subscribe button. God bless you in Jesus' name. Bye.